Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your mutual fund exchanges with Schwab. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Schwab account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the top of the page. In the drop-down menu, select Mutual Funds. Look for the Exchanges or Exchange Funds option on the left side menu. Click on Exchange Funds to view your current mutual fund holdings. Identify the mutual fund you wish to exchange. Select the fund by clicking on the checkbox next to its name. Proceed by clicking on the Exchange button. Choose the fund you want to exchange into from the list provided. Review the investment details of the fund you are considering. Enter the amount you want to exchange. Double-check the details of your transaction, including the exchange ratios. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Continue. You may be prompted to review any fees or potential tax implications associated with this exchange. Read through any important disclosures or terms that may appear. Once you are satisfied, confirm the exchange by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message or email once your exchange is processed. Monitor your account for updates on the status of your exchange. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to Schwab's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.